Hey everybody, welcome back to Kat's Cooking Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a quick set of egg rolls just by the seat of my pants. I'm going to just grab a few things, throw them in, and we're going to have egg rolls. Don't worry, the cinnamon roll cake is still going to be put on video, but since I lost the video I had and I still have this one back here with over half a cake to eat, I can't do it right now because I have no place to put it. Now, since I'm just going to make it up out of the seat of my pants, we're going to start with about 1/4 of an onion. I think that looks good. And I need to turn that up a little bit so it gets sizzling. Here we go. And we're going to add a little ginger and garlic. I went to get my coleslaw mix out of the refrigerator, and dang if it didn't go bad on me. So there won't be any cabbage in this egg roll. I haven't decided exactly yet how I'm going to do this. Oh, I need to put in my garlic. Or no, this is my ginger, sorry. Oh, haven't even opened it yet. These things are so hard. There we go. I think I got it now. It's so hard to get going. Okay. Put a couple teaspoons in there. Same thing with the garlic. Not too much, but hey, we love garlic. So we are done with these. Let this start browning a little bit. We're going to add our chicken. And I just like to grab the big hunks and do this when I'm doing egg rolls. So it's more shredded chicken instead of big chunks of chicken. Okay. It's a beautiful day today. Weather's so nice. Still hot, but not as hot. Okay. Grab my towel. Okay. Okay, how's everybody doing? I'm trying to get a handle on my housework. Laundry. Have to do some laundry tonight after I make my video. That's just every week. Doesn't matter. Gotta have clean clothes. I found so many good-looking good-looking recipes lately that I can't make them all. I'm going to splash in about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of soy sauce. Give it a little Asian flair. Now I have two sauces. Not sure which one I'm going with for sure yet. I have hoisin. That's kind of a Chinese barbecue. And then we have a sweet chili sauce, which is a sweet and a little spicy, which is, I think I'm going to do that. And then you can dip it or pour some Barbecue hoisin over the top if you'd like. So, oh, that smells so good. Smells like egg roll before it's even an egg roll. Okay. Okay, let me see. Let's go ahead and put some cheese in it. Oh, maybe I'll put I decided I was going to put broccoli in it, but I found out I had a bunch of peas in my freezer. So I'm going to put peas in my egg rolls. Since they're frozen, I didn't know in time to thaw them out. And add a few in there. And it doesn't take a pea very long to thaw out once it hits the heat. So we'll be good to go here in a minute. I think I will hit it with a little cream. I don't have any. Wait a minute. I'm not really sure how this will work. I only use it in Italian recipes. But I have some ricotta cheese here that I need to use. They just do not make these things easy to open, do they? Okay, that's what these knives are for. Okay. Now a lot of people would maybe use cream cheese in this, and that's fine if you do, but I don't care that much if the cream cheese is too heavy. I like it in a sweetened recipe, not so much in a savory. So I put in about a half a cup of ricotta. That's not going to do what I cream it up as much as I want. I looked for sour cream, but I didn't find any. I think I used it all up in that spaghetti recipe I had on a couple days ago. So what I'll do is I'll add a little cream. My hands are greasy. Here we go. It's maybe a quarter cup. Now see, this is what I mean. Anybody can do this. Pick out some of your favorite flavors, stuff you like. This could I could boil off some pasta and make this a pasta dish, which actually sounds pretty good. I may change. No, yeah, I might. I think that sounds pretty good. We're changing from egg rolls to cheesy chicken and pea spaghetti casserole. Okay. I do this all the time. This is why I went ahead and was videotaping this, because I fly by the seat of my pants so many times, but I usually don't tape it if I'm not certain what I'm making. So tonight I thought I'd just go with it. I hope you guys can see that this can be a really versatile recipe. So if you're getting something ready to make, and all of a sudden you find out, oh wait, I don't have and coleslaw. So that changed my way of thinking. And so now we're going to just wait on some water to boil. It won't be too long. I still have to add the cheese in my cheese and peas. Okay, so I don't know if you got a good look at it or not, but it looks really good. Oh, it smells good. And now we're just going to add, I don't know, about 12 ounces maybe of spaghetti. I'll have to let you know after I put it in how much I put in. So there we go. We're done until our water boils and our spaghetti is cooked. And then I will be back in just a second. Hang in there. Hey, welcome back. Our spaghetti is ready, and I've already dumped the skillet that had the chicken and the peas and all those goodies. Stir it up. I think it's going to need a little more cream. And I also forgot to salt and pepper the chicken, so we're going to do that right now. Oh, yeah, that takes too long. Teaspoon salt. And where's my pepper? A teaspoon of black pepper. Get the cream back out. I think I might need it. Stir this up. Oh, this looks and smells so good, but it's a little tight. So we're going to add a little more cream to it. And of course, we're going to add our sweet chili sauce to it too. I love whipping cream. Okay, now we've got cheese. This is 4 cups. So that was probably almost 2, probably a little under. Might be a pound and, or a cup and 3/4. Okay. Get this mixed in. I'm also going to add some Parmesan cheese to this. Let me see which one. This will be easier to melt. About a 1/4 cup. That would be a 1/2 cup of parm. Now, like I said, the chili, it's sweet chili sauce. So it is sweet, but it has a little heat to it. So if you don't like that, I would suggest going with the hoisin. It's more Asian flavored barbecue kind of flavor. But I think we're going to love it. That's a good 1/2 cup. Wouldn't be any more than that, I don't think. You learn real quick when you're throwing meals together like this. There doesn't have to be an exact measurement. You measure, you taste as you go. Taste for seasoning, taste for salt, pepper. Okay. Let's see what we've got. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. So good. See if I can keep it on the fork. So I have it. I'm used to rolling it with a spoon on the end of my fork. Looks really good. Everybody, make this recipe. I'm not kidding. This is super, super delicious. And now, my video's over. I want to thank you all for checking in on me and looking up what I'm making today. I hope you share it with your friends, family. I hope you make these dishes I'm showing you, especially the one I give 5 stars to. This will be a 5-star dish. I so appreciate you watching. I so appreciate your comments. And if you have any recipes that you like, that you think would make a good video, send them to me. I'll put them on here. And I'll give you the credit for the recipe as well. So, thank you all so much for watching. And until the next time, bye-bye.